The prompt is pretty simple. Give the YouTube video link and get Perplexity to write Python code by reviewing the content in the video. The video is on how to tell business story using the process mapping. You can find the video link in description. You can see Perplexity providing the key points from the video: shapes, detail level, swim lanes, and actions. Then it jumps immediately to implement the Python code to automate the process map creation using Process Piper package. Interesting part is the reference given by Perplexity lead me to find Roadmapper package and Pyprita app developed by the same developer CSGO from New Zealand. Links in description. Next prompt is to get the questions to ask for process mapping, then incorporate those questions directly in the Process Piper code. The code initially provided by Perplexity threw an error, as it was using an older Process Piper API. I then provided the example from the Process Piper repo as reference and asked Perplexity to rewrite. This time the code worked. It was expecting 5 input steps from the user, then proceeds to create the process map and returns the PNG file. It was a command line program. Entering these tasks can be error-prone. So I got the code updated to read the tasks from a text file, which contains the various business process as shown here. When it comes to executing the code, I used VS Code as editor. In Terminal, I create a virtual environment, activate it, and install the Process Piper library in that. The code is executed using the Python command. We can see the final PNG file with the process flow. There you go, YouTube video to code using AI.